What's up, traders? Welcome to another awesome strategy, another awesome video from Forex Life. So, in today's video, this will be a scalping strategy for small accounts, big accounts, whichever account size you have. You can use this strategy to scalp the market. It's really simple, really easy, but the thing is, you need to follow the rules of the strategy. Okay, that's the only thing what you need to do in order to make the strategy work for you. Also, if this is your first time on this channel, please drop a like, smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below, and share the video so that more traders out there that's trying to further their trading career can see this video, and it might help them grow as a trader as well and grow their accounts. So let's get this video going and let's get more traders involved with this channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive straight into the indicators. Okay, it's not a lot of indicators. We will be using 3 indicators for the strategy. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to press this little F icon at the top of your screen, and then we're going to look for our stochastic oscillator. So if you scroll down, we should find it over here under oscillators, and then we will find stochastic oscillator. We click on stochastic oscillator, and then these are the periods that you should enter into the stochastic oscillator. So the K period, we want to change that to 5. The D period will be 3. Slowing will be 3 as well. Price field will be low high. Method will be simple, and then we can just change this to 2 pixel or 1 pixel, whichever you prefer. The color, the main and the signal, the color should be the color of your background. So my background on my main chart is white, so I will then keep mine white. Okay, the levels that we will be using, just going to delete these levels. We will just be using 2 levels, so we will have level 10 and we will have level 90. Once you added your levels, just click on the back arrow and click on done. There we should have our stochastic oscillator on our screen. If it's too big for your screen like it is over here, just press and hold on your screen. You see this little white dot? You just tap on it and drag it down, so you can adjust your screen that way. Okay? Then the second indicator that we'll be loading is our Ichimoku. So we're going to go through the same process. We're going to click on our F icon over here, and then we're going to click on this F plus because we want our Ichimoku inside of our stochastic oscillator. So it needs to be in the same indicator window. So we're going to click on the plus icon over here, and we're going to click on Ichimoku. So the settings for the Ichimoku, we're going to change the first one. Let's just change that. We're going to change that to 1. The second one will be 29. The third one will have that 1 as well. Full, we're going to have that box tick. Your first under styles, your first one, the Tekkensin, we're going to make that green. Okay, or any color of your choice. Any color. So I'm going to take a nice purple. Okay, everything else I'm going to change to the color of my background. Everything else will be the color of my background, which is white. So everything is white. Levels, we will have no levels with our Ichimoku. Then we click done. Now we have our Ichimoku. You can change the pixel if you want to. So you're just going to tap on your screen. That's only if this line over here is too thin for you, and you want the line to be a bit thicker in order for you to see it. You can just tap on your screen, click on the F again, and then click on Ichimoku. And over here by the Tekkensen, by the purple or whichever color you have chosen, you can change the pixel to 3 pixel, 4 pixel, 1 pixel, whichever you like. So I'll keep mine on 2 pixel, and then you just click done. Okay. Now the third indicator that we will be loading will be our alligator. So we're going to click on the F icon again, and this time we want the alligator on our main chart. So what we're going to do is, instead of clicking on indicator window 1, we're going to click on main chart on the F over here on main chart, right? So we tap on that and we're going to look for our alligator. So if we just scroll down under Paul Williams over here, we have our alligator. So we just tap on our alligator, and then these are the parameters, these are the settings. Sorry, these are the settings that you need to change. So for your jaws period, let's just tap to change that. We're going to make that 15. Okay. For our jaws shift, we're going to make that 8. For our teeth period, we're going to make that 14. And for our teeth shift, we're going to make that 5. For our lips period, we're going to make that 14. And lip shift, we're going to keep at 3. Then our method over here, we're going to change that to smooth. So we change that to smooth, and we apply to median price. Okay, we want to apply to median price. All these colors over here, we keep the colors as is. We can change that all to 2 pixel, 1 pixel, whichever the width of the actual alligator you would like. Levels, we're not going to have any levels for this alligator. We're going to have no levels for this alligator, so we're just going to delete those levels, and we're going to click on done. And this is how your chart should look. Okay, now before we move on to anything else, everybody always asks me, what is the zoom level? So this is the lowest zoom level on your device. For iOS and for Android it's different, so I'm using Android, and on my charts all I need to do is I need to zoom 1, 2. That's all. So I'm going to do it again all the way. That's the lowest. Then I zoom 1, 2. That's the zoom level. Your chart, if you click and hold on your chart, my chart is not all the way over there, it's not all the way over there, it's right under the E. So over here you can see the E in series, where it says on average 1 drop occurs in price series. So just here under the E, that is where my chart is. Okay, that is where I line my chart up with. Okay, so now we're going to look at the strategy itself. So this is a scalping strategy. Just looking at it, I think you guys know already what you should do, what should be done with the strategy. First things first, you just need 2 confirmations. So when a spike happens, right, a spike happens, all you need is, you need your Ichimoku over here in indicator window 1 to be at level 10, right? Should be at level 10. Once it touches level 10, you enter your buy and you take your trades, and once your candle touches the green line on the alligator, you exit your trade. Okay, so from here, right, there you would have entered, there you would have closed. That's 11 candles. Okay, that's 11 candles you would have bagged. If you move, it's all about patience, all about patience. So this would have been an entry here as well, right? So once the spike happened, another spike and another spike happened. Over here, your Ichimoku touched level 10. You enter your buy and you exit once you touch the green line on the alligator. That's 14 candles. Go again and you look. Okay, so here we have an opportunity, right? It spiked. Confirmation 1, we have a spike. Confirmation 2, it's at the 10 level, at the 10 zone. Over here we take our trade. That's 16 candles. We spiked, right? We spiked right back to entry because we did not hit the green part of the alligator. But if you want 5, 10 candles, you would have ended in profits. However, here we spiked back to entry. and we went again. So we entered the trade again over here because it spiked. Ichimoku reached level 10. We entered the trade and we exit at 11 candles. So we look for another opportunity. Now we see, okay, over here. So the spikes happened. We reached level 10. Over here, this was 17 candles. However, we did not reach the green alligator yet, so we're still holding. And once we've reached the green alligator, that was 29 candles. So let's just test the pair. So let's say boom 1000, for example. Let's check boom 1000. So in boom 1000, we will be selling. So this is a perfect example, right? The Ichimoku reached level 90 after a spike. We would have entered our sell over here, and we would have been exiting our trade shortly once we've reached the green line on our alligator, right? So that will give us about 19 candles. So we just wait and see what happens quickly. Okay, while we're waiting for that, we can look for another opportunity. Let's see. So over here, we had a series of spikes, right? The spikes occurred. We eventually reached level 90. We entered our trade and we exit our trade once we've reached the green on the alligator. That's 16 candles. You can check again. Another opportunity over here. We reached level 90 after a spike. We entered, we closed. That's 19 candles. Let's just see. So here we would have almost been closing after this candle. We would have been closing our trades. So let's check on boom 500. Okay, no opportunity just yet. Let's see. Nothing just yet. Over here we have an opportunity. So here the spike happened. We've reached level 90. We took our trade right over there. And we closed on 13 candles. Remember guys, you don't need to be greedy to make money in the market. Be patient. Wait for that opportunity. You wait. See over here. Here we did not reach level 90. This is not a valid trade. This over here is a valid trade. So what happened? We enter the market. We got small spike. We continue. And we close on, what's that, 14 candles, because we've reached the green level, the green line on the alligator. We close with 14 candles profit. So let's see over here again. So we reach level 90. We enter the trade. We sell, right? We get caught by the spike. We're still in profits. We're not in the red yet. We continue holding and we end up with 19 candles. 19 candles profit. Let's see for another opportunity. So here we have another opportunity. We've reached level 90 after a spike occurred and 9 candles. So let's check crash 500. So this would have been a perfect entry now after the crash happened. Yeah, we would have entered because we've reached level 10. We would have entered and we would have closed right over here with 12 candles. 12 candles profit. Let's just check. Okay, this is not a valid trade, guys. This over here is not a valid trade. We are not touching level 10. Okay, so don't risk your account. Wait for those confirmations. We're not touching level 10, so we're not taking that trade. So we continue looking over here. This is a perfect one. After the spike, with the Ichimoku touch level 10, we enter the trade and we take our profits once we touch the green line on the alligator, and that's 14 candles. So as you guys can see, this is a really easy strategy, a really easy, simple strategy. You just need to follow the rules in order to be profitable. Don't be greedy in the market. There's always opportunities in the market. So I hope this strategy helps you guys, and I will see you on the next video.